Yes, sir.
So, namaskar friends. As you all know that the Atmanirbhar Bharat Garib Kalyan Yojana of Government of India has gained popularity across the states, and Goa was one of the luckiest state due to its dynamic Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who, inspired by the Atmanirbhar Bharat concept of Honorable Prime Minister, has introduced Swaympurna Goa program in the state. You all know that Swaympurna Goa program has gained much popularity in the country. In the past few months, various states representatives, their IAS officers, commissioners have come down to Goa to learn about the ways and means the way we are implementing this program in the state of Goa. Initially, the program was designed keeping in view the how to ensure the human development in the state, and besides this, it was decided to work on 10 different themes for the development, all-round development of the state, such as water for all, shelter for all, sanitation for all, electricity for all, Swasth Seva for everybody, Samajik Surasha for all, health to all Divyangs, senior citizens, bank and insurance, which includes Kisan Credit Card of Agriculture, Kisan Credit Card of Animal Husbandry, and third one. The experience which we have gained from the Swaympurna Goa Phase 1.0 program is very impressive. It has been recently reviewed by the government, where we could see the progress of the program. More than 24,000 Goans were provided some or the other kind of benefit under the Swaympurna Goa program. More than 2,000 Divyangs have been benefited under this program. More than 10,000 UDID Shram cards were distributed under Swaympurna Goa program. The most important achievement of Swaympurna Goa program so far was that state could see that maximum number of women from the rural areas, those are the remote villages of Goa, could develop the entrepreneurship habits in them. We had a very successful stories of 3-4 places. One is the villages in Bicholim Taluka, where they have started making the bags of jute, and they have started selling it on commercial basis. Second is the self-help groups, Mahilas around 200 in numbers. They are doing strawberry cultivation. Their income per year is of around 200 Mahilas are earning 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs rupees per year of 3 months season from October to February. Third is that there was a village called Surla in Bicholim Taluka, where since last 20 years there was no agriculture done. These all where the people were working for the minings and they were getting in cash. So they have lost their interest in cultivation. The project was taken of Surla village, which was around 100 hectares of land, which was not cultivated. It has mangroves of more than 6-8 feet heights, where under Swaympurna Goa program, out of 100 hectares land, around 200 hectare land has been, around 20 hectare lands has been made cultivable. More than 235 families have not now taken the lands for cultivation, and they are now relied upon the cultivation. They are taking 2 crops in this 28 hectares land in Surla village. There were 362 Mahilas, which all you know that Swaympurna Chaturthi program, we gave them a platform to sell their homemade items and Matoli items in Chaturthi Bazars. What we saw that almost altogether more than 1500 women from across the state have inculcated, which they can demonstrate practically the entrepreneurship habit they have inculcated in them. That is due to Swaympurna Goa program. Recently, we have seen that Honorable Governor of Goa has felicitated around 7 Swaympurna Mitra and 2 nodal officers on the eve of Republic Day on 26 January 2023, yesterday. This was all because of the hard work done by all Taluka nodal officers and Swaympurna Goa programs, Swaympurna Mitras. Keeping all these things in view, the Honorable Chief Minister has decided now onwards, point number 1, that all Swaympurna Mitra and Taluka nodal officers will keep on working on last mile delivery. Means that all the schemes benefit should reach to one and all across the state at every hook and corner of the state. Second is, now the Swaympurna Mitras and Taluka nodal officers will work towards skilling Goa henceforth and will ensure that whoever is in need of skilling, whoever is in need of reskilling is provided that kind of training, so that self-employment and making them self-reliant, these targets are achieved. Now to do this all kind of things, the all kind of homework has been done. There are some ITIs who have different trades like mechanic motor vehicle, mechanic diesel, mechanic 2 and 3 wheelers, then welder, draftsman, mechanist, turner, fitter. As you all know, these are all coming from outside Goa. The Swaympurna Mitras and Taluka nodal officers will work very hard to see that now our own Goan people, if they are trained in one of these states and if they are not taking up, will go to them, will pursue them, and will see that anyone who is not earning and having some or the other kind of skill in them, either if they need reskilling, will provide them additional training, or will make them somehow to undergo some skill test, skill training course and become self-reliant. There are many other courses are there like plumber, electrician, wireman, lift and escalator mechanic, in plant logistic assistant, etc. Now, in order to start these programs, and this program in mission mode as a part of the Swaympurna Goa program, skilling Goans to make them self-reliant, to ensure that maximum people become the self-starter. What is that called? They take up the new jobs, new businesses for them, and they start some or the other kind of businesses. Honorable Chief Minister himself will address a webinar tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. and he will talk to all the Swaympurna Mitra, he will talk to the Taluka nodal officers, he will talk to the general public, he will interact with them. The whole program to tomorrow's webinar program is to somehow give a message, wide message to all the Goans that now the government is ready to go in a mission mode for skilling Goa, and ensure that in the shortest possible time we could achieve the target of skilling maximum number of Goan.
So this is regarding the skill development.
Skill development.
So tomorrow's webinar is on skill development.
Skill development plus we have requested all those who are given award yesterday on 26 January to tell about their stories. What did they do? What for they were awarded? What did they do? And what are their ideas? So these 9 persons also will speak tomorrow in the webinar. So whole Goa will come to know that why these people were felicitated and what kind of extraordinary, unique work they have done. These are the Taluka nodal officers, Swaympurna Mitras. They don't have kind of standing instructions like I as a director of planning have my work assignment. We have to come with ideas, we have to work with the local public, the area which is allotted to us in our jurisdiction. We are supposed to have meetings with them, listen them, convince them, and ensure that the benefit of all the scheme reaches to them. And our purpose, like what we are now taking up, skilling Goa, is achieved through our meetings with the locals in our jurisdiction.
So these 9 felicited people are Swaympurna Mitras. So
7 Swaympurna Mitra and 2 Taluka nodal officers.
In total, how many Swaympurna Mitras?
There are 237 Swaympurna Mitras.
And how many beneficiaries who are Atmanirbhar you said just now?
See, I have given examples of women which I have brought with me data. In Strawberry project in Netravali, around 200 families. Who is working on the field is 200 Mahilas. They belong to 3 self-help groups, 3 Mahila self-help groups. Coming to the Surla village, here we are going to make 800 families to take up the agriculture, where agriculture field was not cultivable. So far, around 250 families have become dependent on agriculture. Now they are successfully doing the implementation.
But there are 800 families
No,
in Sulla.
no, sir.
There are 3,000 families.
3,000?
No, I am not aware of. We have done to, yes,
Oh, 3,000 people you are talking about.
3,000 people, 237 persons land has been made cultivable. They
In
are
Sulla?
now cultivable in Surla
Where?
village of Bicholim Taluka. Surla Bicholim. Ward number 1, 2, 3 and 7.
How many families is there total in Sulla village?
Probably 760 or
760
7 or
families?
800.
No, sir, this is wrong
I
date.
may be wrong. I have not
This is the wrong date.
So 760 families means how many?
It's one town, it's like a
calculated
town
in
you're
each-
talking about, sir. Because I stay there, nearby Sulla only.
Surla, which ward you stay?
I'm staying in Kudnai village, and Sulla is my border.
Ah.
Next village is Sulla for me.
ते सुल्ला रे
अरे नावेले सुल्ला रे
केरी सुल्ला म्हणतात.
केरी सुल्ला
Anyway, I will confirm that
No,
number of
whether it is
families.
this Sulla, that Sulla.
I know,
700
yeah, I
families?
know.
You are talking about Sankalim Sulla concept.
Sankalim Sulla.
Yeah, that's so there are no 700 families, sir.
Ah.
Sorry.
Okay, just ask.
Oh.
Acha, this is there, है ना? This many. Strawberry is there. Then diya making is training is given to around 200 families. They are making some other items which I have told you.
So these 200 families are in one village?
No, it is Surla is one village. It has 8 or 9 wards.
Yeah.
Okay, so the whole ward is such that if you go to see a piece of particular land,
Correct.
you cannot make out whose land is whose. It is Form 1 and 40's problem is there. So the ancestors are, this will say it is mine, this is mine, this is mine, so that way. So it is a community concept is given, and that way whole 100 hectare land is taken into consideration.
So how many, what is the amount of hectares of land?
100
100
hectares of
hectares.
land is there. Out of that, 28 is made cultivable. First crop, Alsanda, was taken last year. Now they are doing whatever they want because the land is not fertile after you make it cultivable after 20 years. So first crop is supposed to be a cereal, of which Alsana they have sown already. They have got a very good yield also there.
Okay.
सो इधर बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह के प्रोग्राम्स हैं जो इन लोगों को सिखाए हैं, वो हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे किए हैं. फिर चतुर्थी बाजार में अराउंड 362 महिला वेंडर्स हैं. 785 families. I
8,800 population.
in
कितने?
8,800 population.
Sullas फक्त
Sulla.
and 785 families.
780.
How many wards? 9 wards.
9 wards are there, 9 wards.
And tomorrow's webinar is only on skill development, you said, no?
Skill development, fully focusing on skill development, how we'll go ahead. Secondly, we'll try to know the work done by the successful awardees, Swaympurna Mitra and Taluka Nodal Officer. Honorable Chief Minister will address everybody.
It will be only CM or other IT professionals and all, ITI and all.
No, it is Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister will address, and then all other program will follow.
Okay.
Sir, some Swaympurna Mitras are not working properly in Sattar and all. What is the reason, sir? They are telling people to fill up the form, bring the form like that.
Before answering your question, I would like to tell you one more thing. That the government has introduced drone technician course and e-vehicle mechanic
Where?
in Goa. And
Which
Which
ITI?
area, sir?
Government ITI Kapura.
Kachori.
Yes. It is in this year.
From this
So
year.
probably it may get expanded into other ITIs depending upon the need.
Is it 1 year or 6 months or what it is?
That ITI tomorrow in the webinar will come to know. I know about the course is available for the drone technicians and mechanic vehicle. It has lot of scopes in Goa, and you all know that there is a aviation skill development center in Manor International Airport, plus our ITIs, plus all kind of facilities we want to provide to the people who are in need of getting re-skilled or skilled. 10th pass people, 12th pass people, 12th fail people, if they have interest in any kind of these works which are being done under ITI or for which the government can arrange any kind of program, the government would be happy to make a separate program for them. So the Swaympurna Mitras and Taluka Nodal Officers will be in hunt of all those who are in need and would like to work
But
towards.
how would I get more
achieving this
information
goal.
this drone technology?
What is this technology?
No, how would I get more information? Like how many months course it is, or is
Tomorrow
it
you will come to know in the webinar.
Chief Minister.
That is why other speakers will speak about the course
Okay.
in detail.
So my question is,
Pardon?
some people, some Swaympurna Mitra are not working properly in Sattari Taluka.
We
They are telling people that go and bring the form, you fill up and give like that. They are not helping them.
Why it is done?
I know it.
You are aware of it.
I am aware of it.
So what
I am
is
aware of it.
any
I do
action?
collect information, progress report from them, from everyone, and they are all questioned about it, and will improve them. Will improve their performance.
But why you are not taking action if they are not working? for
Action
the
we are
government?
taking, but action what is deemed feasible, what is can be taken is being taken. Will improve them. Probably this your complaint will be taken care of in due course of time.
You are
We are aware.
you are aware about that case.
We are aware.
How
Not
many-
case. Some of the.
Well, have got any complaints and all or no about this? Sir?
There is no complaint. I myself, our team assess their performance, and we question them, and we make them to work.
So, but
Government
if
is aware.
somebody brings to your notice such issues, then how would you can you assess that? It is a complaint, sir. You have to
No
take
complaint
action.
has not come to me.
He has brought it to your notice now.
Yeah, I am telling him that I am aware of. He says some. I am also saying
Okay.
yes. Some are not performing up to the mark. We are aware of. People who are not performing the work, that record is on my file. We question them. We take care of them. That's why I told you this problem will get over soon.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.